Hi guys, Jeff at Midwest Loan and Retail. Hey, we're going to do a quick unboxing and walk around of the Taser Strikelight. I know it's getting to be back to school time and a lot of folks are calling me asking me if they can get this product, and we can. We have some in stock. We sell them for $119.95 and we can have them to you just in time for school. In the box we've got the Taser Strikelight, as you see. It includes one strike light and a wall charger. On the back of the box we read the contents. 8.2 inches long with contact stun, a high intensity flashlight, and it has a rechargeable battery and a stun button. It leads me to believe that from the videos I've watched, you've got to turn on a flashlight and then you hit the stun button and it goes from there. Also anti-roll design. It looks like it has flat sides so it won't roll away from you or anything like that. Let's get to unboxing it here and see what's inside. Stuff aside, and here we have your Taser Strikelight. Let's set it aside and see what else is in the box for now. Here's your AC wall charger. Plugs in with a standard plug to the flashlight here. Some padding, and you get a little sticker in there, and probably a information or warranty manual there. Let's set that aside. Okay. Here we have the Taser Strikelight. Say it's a pretty hefty piece of equipment. It would be tough to be hit by one of those. You can see it has what they call a crenellated bezel, and the back is also shaped like that. This is also a strike device. When you hold it in your hand, you can hit and punch and poke and scratch your way out of a jam with it if you have to. They're hard and they're metal. Let's get down to, it's actually pretty light for the size of it. Let's just kind of throw it on the scale here and see. Hold on. Yeah, comes in at right under 11 ounces, 10.95 ounces to be exact. So pretty light little package here. We've got, see the controls without reading the instruction manual. We've got a flashlight. Here, I don't want to shine it right in your face. We have the flashlight here, and shut it off, and I assume this is the Taser button. The Taser button does not function with the flashlight off. So you're walking at night, you've got your flashlight on, you're encountered by trouble, and you just turn her over and you're ready to go. So I imagine that delivers a pretty decent stun to whoever would get hit by it. But also note the sound that it makes can be kind of intimidating too. So, pretty neat little package. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off before I stun myself or the dog here. And yeah, neat little package. We'd be glad to get you one. We have, like I said, we have a few in stock, but you can always call and for availability, or get a hold of us through Facebook or any of the other means we have, maybe even at www.midwestlr.com. Thanks for watching.